So if you want to run your HTML project, or you can say your web development project in your web browser, then the traditional way is saving your HTML and CSS in a folder and double clicking on that HTML file to load up that in your browser. But there is a simple way which you can do is go to with this Visual Studio Code. I am inside this Visual Studio Code. Go to this extension tab right here. Now type live server and you will see an extension like this, live server. Just install it. It will take some time to install. Now that it is installed, so let's close this right here. Close this window. Now go to your folder, open your index.html file. This is the file. Just click on this go live. Okay, starting up. Now it opens up your website like this. Simple.